Look at this big old giant ass Cowboy Ribeye. Hell yeah. About to cook that motherfucker up really good. Alright, we're going to season this bad boy a little bit. A little seasoned salt. Pepper. Do it again.
Give me that now.
Alright, I got minced garlic. Spread it around. Flip it. We're probably going to lose a little. That's alright. Okay, here's the next part. Gonna vacuum seal it. First, we're gonna put some Land O'Lakes butter in there. Put it about right here. Put a chunk there. Smear that right there. Flip it over. Smear that. Wash my knife. I'm just going to put a blob over here by the bone, because it'll melt and go around the steak. See that? Just going to put it right there. Now I'm going to vacuum seal it. Alright, I got my sous vide. It's up to temperature. I got it set for 3 hours at 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Put my tomahawk in there. Keep an eye on it. If it starts to float ever, then I'll just weight it down with something. It's pretty heavy. But cook it. Make sure you're not over the line. This is the overflow line. You got to be between this line and that line with your water fill. So I just want to be right under this line. And I'll make a video on this sous vide for like 40 bucks from eBay, and it makes your food so much better. I'm telling you right now, if you cook a lot of steaks and things like that, pork, chicken, especially steak and pork, anything you cook for a long haul, this is going to make it way better. I'll come back to you after 3 hours and I'll show you the next process. Alright, it's been 3 hours. We cut it off. We're going to pull it out of the bag and wipe it down with some paper towels. I'll show you the next step to making the greatest steak on earth. Alright, so we're going to wipe it down. Get it as dry as you can. Just wipe all that fat off of it that got cooked out of it. Set her in there. Get rid of this. Some butter, some beef bouillon. You want to microwave it like that, and some garlic. 2 beef bouillon cubes, about that much butter, a couple spoonfuls, and some garlic. Check this out. Look at that dude. Now I'm adding a little bit of this butter. Beef bouillon. I'm gonna flip it. Put a little of that buttered up beef bouillon. Beef bouillon, butter, and garlic. That's it. Now you want to let it rest for about 5 minutes. We're going to put it on the cutting board and let her rest. That's a fucking dinosaur steak right there. Well, like fucking Fred Flintstone and shit. Been 5 minutes. Look at that guy. Best steak ever. If you don't like your steak that rare, now up the temp on your sous vide. You go on Google and just type in how you like your steak. It'll tell you what temp to put your sous vide at. Look at this. Juicy as steak. So tender. It's crazy.